Welcome back children, with me you are learning mathematics, 9th standard number system. Today we are going to learn laws of exponents for real numbers, exercise 1.6. You should remember 4 laws of exponents children, which I have put up here. A power m into a power n, powers are different, index is the same. So a power m plus n. A power m by a power n, powers are different, division, a power m minus n. A power m whole m is equal to a power mn, these both are multiplication. A power m into b power m will be ab the whole power m. With this information we are going to solve this exercise 1.6 first problem. Let's move on to first problem. It says 64 power half. Let us try to write in a simpler manner children. When you hear about 64, what flashes to your head? Obviously 8 8s are 64. So 64 is nothing but 8 8s are 64. I'm going to put bracket because it is two numbers. 64 is 8 8s are 64 power half. How do you write 8 into 8? We write 8 into 8 as 8. This is once, twice. So 8 square into half. Okay. This half is from the question. Now, can I cancel 2 and 2? Yes, I can cancel. So, what is my answer? What am I left with? I am left with 8. I hope you have understood. It's very simple and easy. Let's move on. 32 to the power of 1 by 5. Second says 32 to the power of 1 by 5. Now, 32. How do I know what is 32? You have a working column, so try doing this. 32, when you do LCM, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So how many 2s children? 5. So can I write this as 32 as 2 power 5, or I can also write as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 power 1 by 5. Can I write? Simplified version is 2 power 5 into 1 by 5. Can I cancel 5 and 5? Yes. So what is the solution? The answer is 2. It's very simple children. We haven't used the laws yet. We are still in this only. So the answer is 2. Let's move on. Let us do third problem. Third problem says, first main exercise 1.6, third problem says 125 to the power of 1 by 3. So how do you simplify? You can do the same thing children. 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. So how many 5s? 3 5s. So you can write this bracket 5 into 5 into 5 the whole power 1 by 3. How many 5s? 3. So 5 to the power of 3 into 1 by 3. Can I cancel 3 and 3? Yes. So what is my answer? My answer is 5. 5 power 1 means 5 only. First problem says 9 power half. How do you write 9 children? Do you want me to do there? There also you can do 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. How many 3s? 2. So you can write 9 as 3 into 3. When you write 2 or 3 terms, you should put a bracket to the power of half as it is. So what is 3 into 3? 3 square to the power of half. Power half. 2 and 2, does it cancel? Yes. So what is the solution? Your answer is 3. Very simple children. 9 is split up into 3 into 3 to the power of half. 3 into 3 is 3 square into to the power of half. 2 2 cancels. So answer is only 3. Let's move on. Next question says 32 to the power of 2 by 5. Now 32, that time only we did LCM, remember? 32 we did LCM, 2 1s are, 2 6s are, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are. So we got 2 5 times. So I am going to write that only children, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 to the power of 2 by 5. So can I write all this as 2 power 5? Yes. To the power of 2 by 5. These are powers, children. Powers, 5 cancels. What is left? In other cases, we saw 2 power 1 was left, 5 power 1 was left. But here, there is a power which is left, which is 2 square. What is 2 square, children? This is nothing but 2 into 2, which is 4. So, what is my answer? My answer is 4, or you can also write as 2 square. I hope you have understood. It is very easy, children. Let's move on. Third problem says, "16 power 1 by 4. So 16, how can you write? Again, you can take LCM if you want to, children. 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are. How many 2s are there? 4. So I'll write 16 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Power is 1 by 4 only. So how many 2s are there here totally? 4. So 2 power 4 into 1 by 4. Can I cancel 4 and 4 in the powers? Yes, I can. What is left, children? 2 power 1. What do you mean by 2 power 1? It is 2 only. Very easy, very simple, children. When you take LCM, it becomes very easy. I hope you have understood and you're understanding. We haven't used the laws yet. Just try to understand what I am doing on left hand side of my board. Let's move on. Last problem says 125 to the power of minus half. 125 to the power of minus 1 by 3, it says. So 125, that time only we did LCM. Again we will do 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. So how many times we multiply 5? Thrice. So 125 is 5 into 5 into 5 to the power of minus 1 by 3. How can I write 5 into 5 into 5? As 5 cube into minus 1 by 3. Can I cancel 3 and 3? Yes, I can. What is left, children? Left is 5 power minus 1. 5 power minus 1 means it is 1 by 5. This is the solution, children. So here you should remember a power minus 1 is 1 by a. Write this somewhere, very important. A power minus 1 is 1 by a. So 5 power minus 1 is 1 by 5. I hope you have understood. Last main, third main uses laws of indices. We will see how it is used and what is being done. Third main says simplify. Now you see here 2 is same. Okay? 2 is same. This is called as the base. Base is same, powers are different. So which formula can I use from here? I can use this formula. A power m into a power n is equal to a power n plus n. What is a here? Here a is 2. What is m here? n is 2 by 3. This is m. What is n here? n is this 1 by 5. So using this, I can say 2 power 2 by 3 into 2 power 1 by 5 will be equal to 2 power 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. Laws of exponents for real numbers, exercise 1.6. We are doing last main, third main, which says simplify. Here, children, we are going to use laws of indices. Now see 2 and 2, this is called base and this is called index. Okay. So here you see 2 and 2 are same. So base is same but powers are different. Which formula can we use? In this 4 formulas, which formula can we use? Yes, first formula matches this, which is a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. So what is a here? Here a will be 2, m is 2 power 3, this is m, n is 1 by 5. So if I use this, what do I get? 2 power 2 by 3 into 2 power 1 by 5. I'll write little more clearly. 2 power 2 by 3 into 2 power 1 by 5 will be equal to a 2 power m plus n. So it is 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. Okay. What is 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5? If you want, you can do it separately. In your working column, 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. This is fractions. Denominators are different. So you're going to take LCM. 5 3s is 15. Cross multiply. 5 2s are 10. 3 1s are 3. So you get answer 13 by 15. Okay, so your answer is 2 power 13 by 15. This is how you do, children. If you want, you can check with the answers. 2 power 13 by 15 is our solution. I hope you have understood. Power I have simplified here. I have used the formula and arrived at the solution. Let's move on to second problem. Now, second problem also uses laws of indices. But what is it? Second problem says 1 by 3 cube the whole power 7. 1 by 3 cube the whole power 7. So, which does it match from? Can I write this as 1 power 7 by 3 cube the whole 7? I know 1 multiplied how many ever times it is 1 only. By 3 cube power 7. Which formula does this denominator match, children? Any idea which formula does it match? Just see and match. It matches with this formula, which says a power m the whole n is equal to a power mn. So I am going to write 1 by 3, 7 3s, I am going to multiply this both. 7 3s is 21. This is my solution. This is my answer, children. 1 by 3 power 21. I hope you have understood. Now we will do third problem. Third problem says 11 power half by 11 power 1 by 4th. Third problem says 11 power half by 11 1 by 4. Which formula does it match, children? Which formula of this formula? These are called laws of exponents, children. So this law it is going to match where base is same 11. So a is 11. I am going to write the formula a power m by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. So what is a here? A is 11. What is m? M is half. N is 1 by 4. Okay. Now I am going to use formula 11 power half 11 power 1 by 4 will be equal to, using this formula, a power m minus n, 11 power half minus 1 by 4. Okay. Now this I am going to do it separately here, children. You can see here. You can also do it in your working column. 1 by 4. My half minus 1 by 4. 2 and 4 LCM will be 4 only. So 2 how much are 4? 2 2s are 4. 4 how much are 4? 4 1s are 4. So 1 2s is 2 minus 1. So I get answer as 1 by 4. So my solution here is 11 power 1 by 4 is my answer. I started using law of exponent. I substituted a, m and n. Power I have evaluated here and I have written the answer. We will do last problem, which says 7 power half into 8 power half. Which does it match, children? Which formula does it match with? Which law of exponents does this match with? Just try to match it. Which? Yes, it matches with the fourth formula. So the fourth formula says a power m into b power m. M is same. Both are same powers is equal to ab power m. So here what will be our a? A is 7, b is 8, m is half. So I am going to use the formula 7 for this question. So this will be 7 into 8 to the power of half. 8 7s is what, children? 56 to the power of half. Okay. This is how you do the problem using laws of indices, children. I hope you have understood. This is our solution. Very simple it is. Laws of exponents. You should know them very well, all these 4 laws, so that you can be able to simplify any problem given with exponents and bases. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.